learning. Now let's move to a technology that is closely related to artificial intelligence called machine learning. Okay, many people think AI and machine learning are exactly the same thing, but they are not. Yes, machine learning is actually a branch of artificial intelligence. It focuses on creating systems that learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every situation. I'm giving a simple example. So let's understand. Imagine teaching a child how to identify cats and dogs. Instead of explaining every possible characteristic, you show the child many examples over time. The child learns to recognize pattern and better make and become better at identifying animals. Machine learning work in a similar way. The system learns from examples and improves as it receives more data. Let's consider Netflix again. When you first join Netflix, the platform knows very little about your preferences. However, as you watch more content, the system learn about your interest and it become recommending movies and shows that match your viewing habits. This learning process is powered by machine learning. Another excellent example is online shopping, like Amazon. Basically, Amazon using machine learning to recommended products. If you frequently purchase books about businesses, technologies, and the system learns your interest and suggests similarly product. This recommendation increase customer satisfaction and sales. Bank also use machine learning to detect fraud. The system learn normal transaction pattern and identify unusual activities that may indicate fraudulent behavior. This helps to protect customers and reduce financial losses. So one of the greatest advantage of machine learning is that it improves over time. As more data become available, the system learns from new experience and become more accurate. This ability to learn and adapt making machine learning one of the most valuable technology in modern data analysis. Okay, now let's discuss an important reality which is challenging in value creation. Although the data offers numerous opportunity to creating value from data in not also easy. Organizations face several challenges that can limit that effectiveness and of data-driven initiative. Understanding these challenges is important because it helps organization to prepare solution. Okay, now the very first challenge is poor data quality. Remember, our easier discussion, our earlier discussion about data cleaning. If data contain errors, missing values, or duplicate records, the analyst may produce misleads and misleading result. Even the most advanced analytic tool cannot compensate for poor data quality and information. The other major challenges is data security and privacy. Organizations collect sensitive information such as customer details, financial records, and medical histories. Protecting this information is essential. Data breaches can damage reputations, result financial losses, and reduce customer trust. Let's think about a real world example. Large companies such as Facebook or other technology firms have faced criticism regarding data privacy. This situation reminds us that collecting data brings responsibility. Organization must ensure that information is used ethically and securely. Okay. The third challenge is the lack of skilled professionals. Okay. Data science and analytic or AI or machine learning require specialized knowledge. Many organizations struggle to find qualified experts who can effectively manage and realize data. And other challenge is cost, building data infrastructure, purchasing software, or hiring experts that can be expensive. A smaller organization may find it difficult to invest in advanced technologies. So, while data has potential, organization must overcome these challenges to fully realize its value and successfully demands not only one on technology but also on people and processes and responsible data management. Okay, now let's move to the some basic practice for creating value from data. Okay, if organization want to maximize the benefit of data, they must follow certain principle and guideline. The best practice is ensuring data quality. Organization should regularly check data for error, missing values, and inconsistencies. High quality data from the foundation of reliable analysis and accurate decision making. And the second best practice is choosing the right tool. Different situations require different technologies. A small business may use Excel for analysis, while a multinational corporation may reduce to require advanced AI platforms and cloud computing system. Selecting appropriate tools to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Okay, another important practice is maintaining strong security measure. Organization should protect sensitive information through encryption, access control, and cybersecurity policies. Customer trust depends heavily on data security. Let's think about continuous improvement. The business environment changes constantly, and customer preferences evolve. Technologies to advance and market shifts, and organizations should regularly review their analytical method and update their strategies. Data driven decisions and making is not a one time activity, it is an ongoing process. A real world example is Amazon again. The company continuously tests new ideas, evaluate results, and improve recommendation based on customer behavior. This commitment to continuous improvement has contributed significantly to its success. Okay, by following these best practices, organization can improve data quality, increase trust, enhance decision making, and maximize the value generated from data. Okay. Now we have reached the final slide of our presentation, its conclusion. Now let's take a moment to reflect on what we have learned at the beginning of this session. We will discuss a simple but powerful idea. Data is everywhere. Every digital activity generates information. However, we also learned that raw data alone has little value. Value is created only when data is collected, cleaned, and stored or processed, analyzed, and used effectively. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the complete journey of data. We learned about the data lifecycle, data sources, data cleaning, storage, processing, analysis, and visualization. We discussed how organization create this prescriptive and diagnostic and predictive or prospective value. We examined the role of customer insight, operational environment improvement, and strategic planning, big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Let's think again about companies such as Amazon, Netflix, Google, Uber, or Facebook. Their success is not based slowly on technology. A major reason of their success is their ability to transform data into valuable insight and informed decision. They use data to understand customers, improve services, and reduce costs to identify opportunities. The most important lesson from today's lecture is that data itself is not the final goal. The real goal is better decision making, organization that can transform data into knowledge and action gain significant advantages in today's competitive environment. As future professionals, regardless of your field, you will encounter data throughout your career. Whether you work in business, healthcare, educations, engineering, and finance, or technologies, understanding how to create value from data will be an essential skill. The organization that success in the future will be those that not only collecting data but also know how to use it wisely. So, thank you everyone for your attention. I hope this session has helped you to understand how data creates value and why it has become one of the most important resource in the modern world. Okay.